at this point in time that we are tracking amid the NEET mess, the Youth Congress workers are protesting at Jantar Mantar. Those are the visuals now coming in of Youth Congress protest that is taking place at Jantar Mantar in the national capital. Well, it's a raging controversy over the NEET exams and meanwhile protests are being held all across the country by students, parents who are demanding justice. Many of them are asking for have been asking for a retest also, but we've seen how this issue has taken a political turn as well. Now the Congress also staging protest over the issue of NEET, and these are Youth Congress workers that we are learning who are at the site of Jantar Mantar in the national capital staging protest there. All right. Well, my colleague Tanushka now joins us on the broadcast. She is getting us more on that. Tanushka, what is happening on the ground? You are at Jantar Mantar, we believe, and a huge protest by Youth Congress workers there.
Yes, so out here the National Student Union is protesting against the entire NEET issue out here, the NEET alleged paper leak scam, as well as the NEET postgraduate examinations that were postponed here. As you can see around me, ask my camera person to pan around. There are a lot of RAF forces present here as well, security forces. There are Delhi police barricades that have been put up to not allow these party workers to go ahead out to the other side, and we also can see the students have damaged also the barricades here. And now let us get talking to some of the protesters here. आप हमें अपना नाम बताइए और NTA को मद्देनजर रख के, गवर्नमेंट को मद्देनजर रख के आपकी क्या मांगे हैं?
जी, मेरा नाम सद्दाम हुसैन है। हमारी मांग है कि नीट 2024 के अंदर जो धांधली हुई है, अनियमितता हुई है, इसको निरस्त किया जाए और इसको पुनः पारदर्शिता के साथ, ईमानदारी के साथ आयोजित करवाना चाहिए, क्योंकि इसके अंदर देश के 24 लाख जो छात्र है, युवा है, उनका भविष्य समाहित है। स्कैम होने से उनके भविष्य के साथ कुठाराघात हुआ है। हम जो जंतर मंतर पे लोकतांत्रिक तरीके से विरोध प्रदर्शन करके केंद्र सरकार का इस ओर ध्यान आकर्षित कर रहे हैं कि इसकी सीबीआई से जांच होनी चाहिए, निश्चित समिति के अंदर इसकी जांच होनी चाहिए, निष्पक्ष जांच होनी चाहिए और जिसने भी स्कैम किया है उसके खिलाफ सख्त से सख्त कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए, ताकि भविष्य में इस तरह की घटनाओं की पुनरावृत्ति नहीं हो और देश के जो छात्र है उनके भविष्य के साथ कुठाराघात नहीं हो। इसी मांग को लेकर हम प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं।
लेट अस टॉक टू अ पार्टी वर्कर हियर। आप हमें अपना नाम बताइए और जैसे आपके सहयोगी कह रहे थे अभी कि सीबीआई की इन्वेस्टिगेशन होनी चाहिए। सीबीआई की इन्वेस्टिगेशन तो जारी ही है इस मुद्दे पर, तो उसके आगे भी आपकी क्या मांगे हैं आप स्टूडेंट्स के विषय में?
देखिए, मेरा नाम नुमान खान है। मैं राजस्थान यूनिवर्सिटी के लॉ कॉलेज से फाइनल ईयर का स्टूडेंट हूँ। जिस तरह से देश में सारी जो भी एग्ज़ाम्स लग रहे हैं और जो धांधली सामने आ रही है, वो खुले तौर पर ये साबित कर रहे हैं कि ये देश की सरकार और जो भी संस्थाएं हैं, ये इनका फेलियर सामने आ चुका है। ये देश के एजुकेशन सिस्टम को संभालने के लायक नहीं है और हमने पिछले चुनाव में भी देखा है और अभी भी देख रहे हैं कि किस तरह से नरेंद्र मोदी की सरकार ने सीबीआई, इनकम टैक्स, ईडी और पुलिस फोर्स को जिस तरह से गलत तरीके से यूज किया है, तो हमें इनके ऊपर एक बिल्कुल भी भरोसा नहीं रहा है। इन्होंने लोगों को नाजायज परेशान किया है, तो छात्रों को तो इन्होंने कहीं छोड़ने का काम नहीं किया। क्योंकि अब देखिए, नीट की परीक्षा 40-40 लाख रुपए में पेपर बिके हैं। बिहार के एक स्टूडेंट है, उन्होंने खुद कबूल किया है। गुजरात से, हरियाणा के एक सेंटर से 7 बच्चों के 720 में से 720, 67 बच्चों के 720 में से 720 नंबर नीट के इतिहास में पहली बार आए हैं। ये देश की सुरक्षा के साथ खिलवाड़ किया जा रहा है। मैं ये कहता, हमारे एनएसयूआई की ये मांग है कि जो भी इस पेपर लीक के मामले में संलिप्त है, जो भी अधिकारी है, उनके खिलाफ एनएसए एक्ट लगना चाहिए, उनकी संपत्तियों पर बुलडोजर चलना चाहिए और उनके यूएपीए का कानून लगना चाहिए, ताकि देश के भविष्य के साथ खिलवाड़ हो।
So this is what we're hearing right now from the party workers here as well. As you can see behind me, a few other party workers have also sat down on a dharna at this protest here. So this is a clear politicization of the issue here, where the Congress party is also protesting. Earlier also in this protest, we could see students and parents in the protest, but right now there are just party workers around us who are protesting against the NEET UG examination paper leak scam, as well as the postponement of the PG examinations. So these are the concerns right now that are being raised by the Congress party as well in terms of the ruling party, and they're lashing out onto the NDA government currently, as this is, as they say, a perpetration on their part.
Right. Okay. All right. We have those visuals also, as we can see, that came in just a while back, that some of the students also and the Youth Congress workers trying to get onto the police post. They were sitting there while the we do believe, the police trying to contain the situation that point in time. However, they've been raising slogans there. Tanushka, so the protest is still on. We believe we've seen the police team also at the situation at the location there, trying to remove these workers. What is happening now?
Now there's this group of youth workers here who have sat down on a dharna. As you can see outside, out there behind the barricades, the Delhi police force is standing behind the barricades, and there are rapid action forces also that have been deployed at this spot for the protest. So this is what is going on at the protest site right now. The camera person is panning to the Delhi police barricades here, behind which the Delhi police is deployed.
The protesters are allowed to express their concern and stage protest here. All right, those are the visuals coming in as my colleague Tanushka is showing to us. The police personnel are deployed on the other side, while on the site of Jantar Mantar in the national capital, these protests are taking place at the moment. This is the Youth Congress protest that is taking place at the moment at Jantar Mantar. There has been a huge controversy over the NEET examination, the NEET UG examination. We do understand there was a retest also that was held recently, and around 52% of students had appeared for that retest, while half of the students did not appear. All right, these are more visuals now coming in. They're trying to break the barricades. The youth workers here trying to break the barricades and jumping onto the barricades there. The situation seems to be going out of hand. Tanushka, these visuals that we can see on our TV screens with these youth Congress workers have been trying to break the barricades here. What happened there?
Yes, so shortly, it's happened all in a span of a few minutes. The Youth Congress workers were definitely trying to move to the other side of the barricades and were trying to topple down the barricades. Some Congress workers also, made a dent into one of the barricades here. So it did turn hostile for a bit, but right now, they're just peacefully sitting on a dharna out here. There were a lot of students, lot of parents who were gathered, especially when Youth Congress President Varun Chaudhary was here. He also said that the demand is definitely for a re-examination, and this won't be acceptable. Like the fact that the DG has been removed, a CBI investigation. The Youth Congress president says that this cannot be entirely trusted right now, and they all are asking for a resignation of the Union Education Minister at this moment. As you can hear behind me, the Congress workers out here are sloganeering right here on the protest site. So these are the visuals that I have for you. I'll ask my camera person to pan here.
Okay, so the Youth Congress there raising slogans and demanding the resignation of the Union Education Minister. Slogans were raised inside the Parliament also, while Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan was taking oath today.